believe this is a great country. And everybody
Capitalist
should...
pigs!
Hello, I'm McFeely with Fox News. Currently in the news, we have a brutal assault on our president, which we will address immediately, along with stock prices dropping and many other things that we'll be addressed shortly. Personally, my opinion on this is just outrageous, just completely. There's no reason that this man should ever consider even touching the president. This is just common respect. I don't care what country you're from. You know what country we're in? We're in America. In America, we attack people that do this. We need action. Military action.
Good evening. I'm Brandon Bernhardt with CNN News. I'm sure everyone's heard of the recent story of the attack on the president, or so we call attack. But really, the harmless staples are really just an act of freedom of speech by that protester. And our protester really isn't as evil as all the conservative minds would really say, all the war-loving conservatives. This is really just a harmless act, and it's freedom of speech, and he's protected by that First Amendment right, and he should be all right.
Okay, so if you look at the first video of Fox, and you look at the second video of CNN, you see two totally different sides and how different media outlets give their views on a certain topic that happens. Media is a linkage institution that connects people to what's happening in government, whether it be a national or public kind of affair that interacts with all people in the country.
Alrighty, and then the slander is also a major concept involved. As you can tell by the Fox News clip, that they were bashing the actions of the reporter, while in CNN they were moderately praising it because of his freedom of speech that are given to the U.S. And however, this would be altered if the president was a Democrat. More than likely Democrats would be opposed to it, and Republicans would probably favor it.
Okay, and the media is also known as a gatekeeper because they choose which news is put on, and also they're called a watchdog because they watch over what the government says, and so they let the people know as a linkage institution what is going on in government, if we want to know this or we need to know this. And they are also a scorekeeper, but we didn't show this in this video, and that just really shows with the elections.